Hi fellas, it's Vincent. So welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we're going to take a look on the new external optical disc drive that reads Blu-ray discs, verbatim external slimline Blu-ray writer, which is basically an external driver that reads the most popular or the most famous formats, such as Blu-ray discs, like I said, DVDs, and CDs. It allows you to watch movies, like I said, those formats, Blu-ray discs, DVDs, and CDs, like movies, TV shows, you know what I mean. But also, you can also create or record any videos, like the movie you've been recording with your friends, or the video that you downloaded from YouTube. And then you burn, like, the different various types of Blu-ray blank discs, just like DVDs and CDs. Even though verbatim has a huge optical drive or optical disc formats that you can record or burn. The worst part, you cannot insert discs that are 4K. It is because the 4K Blu-ray discs have more capacity and more quality than the regular Blu-ray discs. Guess what? It's exactly what I'm about to record or burn in the future if I only had Blu-ray discs or any types of Blu-ray discs. For those that didn't know, I bought this one, the external optical disc driver light on, the slim model. This one only costed 33 euros and 27 cents. This one is literally cheap, you know, because it only plays whenever you insert discs. There are any types of DVDs and CDs, but not Blu-ray discs. But this optical driver costs 122 euros and 52 cents. Just like every Blu-ray disc movies, the speed in this optical drive is 6 times faster. The M disc, or known as millennial disc, which you can archive your own disc with pictures, videos, programs, or any kind. It's manufactured by Millenniata, Verbatim, and also Retech. This one also includes Neuro software and also has the free Blu-ray discs inside in this optical driver. Yeah, you see that? Just like I said. Well, fortunately, if you had any kind of Linux operating systems, you cannot use this. I mean, you cannot connect with this. If you connect it doesn't show up. It is only compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems, and for those who use Linux. Without further ado, let the unbox begin. Since I can use my holy hands and it's easier to open this box, I don't need scissors. So, okay. Oh. Let's open it. Let's open it. Ooh. That was fast. Okay. Wow. Do you see that? Unbelievable. That is incredible. Oh, and there's a quick install guide. Cool. Oh. Oh, wait. It also has free on this? Cool. Wait, hold on. It's better to be stick on my knees. Look. It's a user manual and application, and this one is a free blank disc. No way. I really adore with this one. Anyways. Okay. This kind of piece, which you can connect the outlet, a sticker. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Who used this? No one even used this in my country. This outlet, I've never had it before, but it's unnecessary in this country. Only this outlet. Every type of outlet like this is more common in my country. So yeah. Okay, the charging cable. This cable is where you can connect your optical driver or optical drive into your desktop or laptop, as you can say. Oh. Just take it out carefully. Okay. It's brand new. So yeah. Oh, wait. Okay. It's good. Oh. Wait, it has two? Oh my god, look. It is ticked together. Like this one where you can port into this one, into this optical. And this you can connect. No, wait. This one, you can connect your PC. But this you can connect your external driver. So yeah. No. No one used this at all. Pretty cool, huh? Did you see that? Let's connect. Wait. Yeah, this one. Okay. Wait. Hold on a second. No, wait. Ooh! Okay. Okay. Here's the user manual and application. The installer. Oh, what am I supposed to... Whoa, perfection. Ooh. It's loading. It worked! Let's click. Ah. Okay, welcome. Okay, here it is. The software. Verbatim products. Okay. Okay, manuals. Fellas, I do have an issue. Well, in the January 4th this year, I just installed this program for my first optical driver, my DVD external optical driver. But I really need to then install it and then to install with this disc. I'm gonna try to figure it out if I could fix this one to reduce this program and to install with this version. And that's the video of this external optical driver, the Blu-ray disc writer. Before the video ends, if you want more unboxing videos, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications on. Thanks for watching, and I will see you fellas in the next video. Peace!